Good morning, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Jeff Calderwood, CEO of the National Golf Course Owners Association Canada, as well as Chairman of the Board of Directors of the National Allied Golf Association, an organization representing Canada's leading golf associations. Our goal today is to communicate and celebrate the economic, health, social, charitable, environmental, and business benefits that golf brings to Canadians. So welcome to National Golf Day. We're also excited today to unveil the results of the 2023 Golf Economic Impact Study, which unequivocally shows that golf is not just good for Canadians, but it's great for Canada. In 2023, the Canadian golf industry made a remarkable contribution of $23.2 billion to the nation's GDP. This impressive figure highlights golf's essential role in driving economic growth, including creating significant employment opportunities nationwide. Our industry supported 237,000 person-years of employment, underscoring golf's significance as a vital source of livelihood for so many Canadians. And that generated over $14.2 billion in total labor income, showcasing the substantial financial benefits for employees and families within the golf sector. Additionally, the industry bolstered public services and infrastructure throughout Canada by generating $4.7 billion in government tax revenues. Golf participation in Canada is thriving and is the #1 participation sport, with an increase to 6 million Canadians who played golf in 2023, leading to 74 million rounds of golf played on Canadian golf courses. It is also worth noting that the off-course golf segment is rapidly trending up as well, further propelling the growth of Canadian golf. In 2023, charity golf events raised an impressive $382 million, returning to pre-pandemic levels and highlighting golf's important role as the top fundraising participation sport in Canada, supporting important causes and community initiatives. The study also emphasizes golf's numerous benefits for individual health, community building, business benefits, environmental stewardship, and 20% of the population are now golfers, with hundreds of thousands of new participants joining since our last economic impact study in 2019. Notably, the demographics of golf are also evolving and broadening the growth in Canadian golf. The number of active female golfers, for example, grew by 6% in 2023 alone, and there was a significant 33% increase in active Black, Indigenous, and people of color golfers in 2023. I look forward to further discussing the outcomes of this economic impact study and the other valuable contributions of golf with parliamentarians and the media here today, while the golf industry celebrates this great game all across Canada on National Golf Day. And it's not just a great game, it's a powerful force for economic growth, community engagement, personal health, preservation of green space, inclusivity, and business in Canada. Lawrence.
Thank you, Jeff. And it's wonderful to be back in Ottawa after a few years' break and join together with the colleagues of the National Alliance of Golf Associations. It's a pleasure to be here. Special noteworthy to our chair, Jeff Calderwood, who did an amazing job in rallying our entire industry to get together on this very special day. As Jeff mentioned, my name is Lawrence Applebaum. I'm the CEO of Golf Canada, the national sports federation in our country. One of the most noteworthy findings from the recent economic impact study is the industry's remarkable return post-COVID and enduring through COVID. Despite the challenges that all Canadians were faced, golf as a sport was ideally suited to get through this challenging time. It's a game of protocols, it's a game of operations, and we excelled in that area, bringing the sport back to new heights. We saw the rise of new initiatives to help raise funds that traditionally couldn't happen due to golf tournaments and other gatherings that didn't happen. Golf is a sport that brings so many benefits to Canadians, not just the economic contributions that we're proud to share with the country, but the entire holistic solution that golf can be. The mental health benefits, the physical health benefits, getting together with colleagues, friends, family to play a game that we love. Golf is a healthy, safe activity that promotes environmental stewardship, provides exceptional social value, and of course is great for business and connections. We're seeing a tremendous new face of golf in our country. As Jeff mentioned, we're seeing younger Canadians, more female, more diverse, and we're buoyed by the success of our Canadians on professional tours around the world. On both the LPGA Tour and the PGA Tour, we have world-class stars such as Brooke Henderson and Nick Taylor making us all proud across the country. On a personal level, golf has been one of the saviors of the last few years in keeping our social fabric together of an organization, our family, our friends. I'd overstate it sometimes, but golf is one of the magic parallels to life. It teaches resilience, patience, and perseverance. We've also found through our recently announced study of golf and health all the wonderful benefits that the game brings. Longer span of life, reduced ailments, extended physical benefits that can continue throughout your duration. These health benefits contribute to a more productive workforce that leads to decreased health expenses for our country as well. In short, golf is good for Canada in so many ways. So I'd just like to close by saying thank you to all the golfers, the golf clubs, the employees, the organizations who have made golf such a success in our country, and we're proud to be here today on National Golf Day. I'd like to turn it over to Louise Patry.
Thank you, Lawrence. Merci, Laurence. Bonjour à tous. Bienvenue à la Journée nationale du Golf Canada. Je m'appelle Louise Patry, membre du conseil d'administration de Golf Canada, et j'ai le plaisir aujourd'hui d'être sur la colline du Parlement pour parler des retombées positives du golf sur le Canada et les Canadiens dans tout le pays. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes ravis de dévoiler les résultats de notre étude de l'impact économique du golf au Canada en 2023, qui démontre sans équivoque que le golf n'est pas seulement bon pour les Canadiens, mais qu'il est aussi excellent pour le Canada. En 2023, l'industrie canadienne du golf a apporté une contribution remarquable de 23,2 milliards de dollars au PIB du Canada. Ce chiffre impressionnant met en évidence le rôle essentiel du golf dans la croissance économique, notamment en créant d'importantes possibilités d'emploi à l'échelle nationale. Notre industrie a soutenu près de 237 000 années-personnes d'emploi, soulignant l'importance du golf en tant que source vitale de revenus pour d'innombrables Canadiens. Ces emplois ont généré plus de 14,2 milliards de dollars en revenus du travail, ce qui démontre les avantages financiers substantiels pour les employés et les familles dans le secteur du golf. En outre, l'industrie a soutenu les services publics et les infrastructures en générant 4,7 milliards de dollars de recettes fiscales. La participation au golf au Canada est en plein essor avec une augmentation de 6 millions de Canadiens jouant au golf en 2023, ce qui représente 74 millions de parties jouées sur les terrains de golf canadiens. Il convient également de noter que le golf hors parcours connaît une croissance rapide, ce qui renforce encore le succès du golf canadien. En 2023, les événements de golf à but caritatif ont permis de récolter la somme impressionnante de 382 millions de dollars, retrouvant ainsi les niveaux d'avant la pandémie et soulignant le rôle important du golf en tant que premier sport de participation, soutenant des causes importantes et des initiatives communautaires. L'étude d'impact souligne également les nombreux avantages du golf pour la santé et le renforcement de la communauté, ainsi que la contribution économique. 6 millions de Canadiens soit un peu moins de 20 de la population, sont aujourd'hui des golfeurs et des centaines de milliers de nouveaux participants se sont joints à eux depuis notre dernière étude d'impact économique en 2019. Notamment, les données démographiques du Golfe évoluent également et élargissent la croissance du Golfe canadien. Le nombre de golfeuses actives, par exemple, a augmenté de 6 en 2023 par rapport à 2022. Il y a eu une augmentation significative de 33 des golfeurs actifs BIPOC, noirs, indigènes et personnes de couleur en 2023. De plus, le succès récent des pros canadiens de la LPGA et du PGA Tour a encore renforcé l'enthousiasme pour ce sport avec des vedettes mondiales telles que Brooke Anderson et Nick Taylor. De plus, les résultats de l'étude montrent que les avantages du golf s'étendent au domaine de la santé mentale. En effet, 95 des personnes interrogées déclarent que le golf améliore leur bien-être général et leur santé mentale. Ces bienfaits du golf sur la santé contribuent à rendre la main-d'œuvre plus productive et à réduire les dépenses de santé liées aux problèmes de santé mentale. J'ai hâte de discuter des résultats de cette étude d'impact économique et des autres contributions précieuses du golf avec les parlementaires et les médias ici présents, alors que l'industrie du golf célèbre ce grand jeu dans tout le Canada. Et ce n'est pas seulement un grand jeu. C'est une force puissante pour la stabilité économique, l'engagement communautaire, la santé personnelle, l'inclusion et les affaires au Canada. Thank you, and we will now be available to take any question in French and in English. Thank you very much.
If you are on Zoom and have any questions, please use the raise hand function. Si vous êtes sur Zoom et avez une question, utilisez la fonction main levée. Merci. This concludes the press conference.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What?
Jeff, we're going to do one picture, I
One
think.
picture.
Good job.
Recording stopped.
3 professionals.
Thank you. Yeah. Well,